Hello everyone. So today we will be unboxing this Morphy drip coffee maker. Okay, Europa drip coffee maker, and this thing comes with a 2 year of warranty on the product that I need to register somehow. I'll see like how I'll do it. I bought this product from Blinkit. So let's first unbox this and see like what exactly comes under the box. And this cost me around 1750 bucks, and the original cost here is 3095 rupees. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, so first is the paperwork. Okay, this is the paperwork that comes with this coffee maker and everything. And the second thing here is 2 year warranty on the product. Okay, and the serial number is already mentioned here. Okay. Box right now it's empty. So this is the coffee maker. This is what you got in the package. Let's grab this thing. This is borosilicate. It's glass. You also got a small spoon with it. Okay, this is how it looks like, and from here you'll see how much water it contains. You can make up to 6 cups of coffee at a time. Okay, let's grab this thing. Okay, so this thing comes with a lid. Okay, this is how it opens, this is how it closes. Okay, inside you'll get a filter, a drip mechanism, that sort of stuff. Okay, this is plastic. This is plastic, all plastic. And here you will fill up your water. So basically it will go something like this. So this doesn't come with a hot plate, I believe. So let's see. Okay, so for this I'll be using a ground coffee, and I bought it as well, this one, and I'll brew it out and show you like how exactly brewing will happen, and how the coffee tastes like. So we will brew coffee into this. So first what I'll do is first clean this thing with water so that it will be clean, and after that we'll start brewing. And the thing that is delivered to me has some scratches beforehand, so let's see. Other than that, it's perfect. So I clean this thing with water. Now I fill it up till here, so it will basically brew 2 cups of coffee for me. So let's see. So I filled it up with enough water, and the same thing what I'll do, I'll open this and pour it here, right here. So as you can see, so this is basically 2 cups of coffee. And the next thing what I'll do is place the beaker down here. Now I'll open this coffee and wow, the aroma itself is quite exquisite. Since I'm just making 1 cup of coffee, I'll add 1, 2 for 2 cup of coffee, and close it with the same thing in there. Okay, so this is basically a sprayer which will spray the whole coffee. Okay, I'll close the lid now. Okay, and turn this thing on. And start brewing my coffee. I'm trying this coffee with the almond beverage, and I'll be making a coffee without any sugar. So this is my cup which is cleaned. So first I'll pour the coffee, and I'll pour almost like this way today. So let's see. This is my 2 cup of coffee. Let's taste the coffee that I brewed. Well, it's better than that wholesome Nescafe you bought at home, and also it's cheaper because around 100 grams of coffee, a premium coffee cost you around 600 to 800 rupees, and in my case almost 400 grams to 500 grams of coffee will cost around 600. That is a premium coffee, I'm talking premium. So this is how it's cheaper if you're a regular coffee drinker.